Okay, how's everybody doing? Today we'll talk about, first of all, I'll talk about the US dollar, and then I will take a look on all markets, guys. Okay, so if you have questions, please, I'm waiting for messages. But don't forget, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, your time frame, your levels. Thank you, guys. Okay. And first of all, before taking a look on the US dollar and before looking for new setups, there is disclaimer here, and please read it. Okay, please read it. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Don't forget that Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. Please be careful out there. Yeah, there are a lot of scammers, scamming groups, fake accounts, so please be careful. Thank you, guys. Later today, guys, later, the US preliminary West of Michigan consumer sentiment as a high impact event. Okay, in my opinion, better than expected data could help the US dollar to appreciate versus rivals, and the poor economic data could force the US dollar to lose some ground. And earlier today, guys, I've talked about this scenario if the price fails to take out that former high, and I've said that a new lower low could open the door for a retreat, for a correction, but this could be only temporary. Okay, maybe this could be only temporary. Please tell me if Bitcoin will reach 39,000 and or 40,000 today. I don't know. We'll take a look on Bitcoin as well. No one knows, but yeah, Bitcoin is strongly bullish. That's why the altcoins jump it higher as well, and an upside continuation could help the altcoins to hit new highs as well. So this could, in my opinion, this could still be only a temporary retreat. Maybe the price will come back to retest the pivot point or this zone, this demand zone, before really developing an upside movement, an upwards movement. That's why right now I'm looking for potential US dollar longs. That's why I'm still keeping also my, if you're a VIP member, personally I'm keeping my trade US 500. I'm keeping my pending order Euro Japanese yen. Okay, and only because yen basket, let's take a look on yen basket, because earlier I've talked about 66.34, guys. I've talked about this support, static support, and yeah, the Japanese yen continues to stay above it, and yeah, it has failed to take out the former highs here, and that's why we are still inside of this demand zone. And I've said that a new higher high could open the door, could activate a larger growth here, and this scenario should force the Japanese yen to dominate the currency market. Also, taking out 66.34 could signal that maybe the yen basket could come back to retest this demand zone here, the lower medium line here. Maybe it could try to retest also the broken downtrend line before developing a new leg higher and a swing higher. It remains to see, guys. Okay. Sebastian, hello. When there will be good trades for gold? Let's take a look. Gold as well. And when I don't have something really good, no, I don't want to do anything in gold. The downside pressure remains high in gold after failing to take out, to stabilize above the upper medium line. Right now it challenges here, yeah, only false breakdown below that former low, 1944. No, I don't have anything really good right now in gold. That's why I didn't send anything in the short term. Yeah, maybe a demand zone here, but it's premature. I need confirmation here. I need a bullish pattern. I need a bullish formation here to announce a potential upwards movement. But right now, gold remains under downside pressure, only because the US dollar remains remains bullish despite this temporary retreat. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's take a look. Euro USD. And then I will take a look also on cryptocurrencies, on US equities. I've read USD possibility of strong upside in coming weeks. It remains to see. Personally, I've talked about the dollar index, about the US dollar. Yeah. You can watch my every day. You can watch my daily video. My market breakdowns every day when I'll talk about the DXY, about the US dollar. I talked about the US dollar today, also here, also in my market breakdown video. We'll talk about gold again later. Euro USD, yeah. This one supports on the weekly pivot point. No, I don't want to do anything right now here on this market. Okay. No. Maybe a new lower low could open the door for more declines, or if it will come back to retest the supply zones, maybe could bring us something, but right now, no, I don't want to buy it. I don't want to sell it. I need that confirmation on the DXY, on the dollar index, before taking action, guys. British pound, the US dollar. Even if the United Kingdom economic data came in better than expected today, so the British, the United Kingdom gross domestic product, prelim GDP, construction output, goods trade balance, index of services, industrial production came in better than expected. The British pound remains under strong downside pressure. Yeah, sell-off, rebound, a new sell-off. Yeah, but I don't know if I want to, if I have something, and when I don't have a high probability trade with a really good risk to reward ratio, no, I don't want to do anything. So here, no, I don't want to place a trade. I don't have a high probability trade. I don't have a high probability setup. It remains to see. Yeah, let's take a look. US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, after this impressive upwards movement, guys, impressive upwards movement, but yeah, the bias is still bullish, only because yeah, the Japanese yen futures dropped, yen basket dropped, and the DXY jumped higher. That's why we had this impressive upwards movement. Right now, yeah, it's still bullish. I don't want to do anything right now. Maybe I will look only for longs, but I don't want to buy it here right below that key level, historical level. Yeah. Maybe here test retest could bring us something on lower time frames, but right now no, I don't want to do anything. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. Don't forget to like the video. Yeah. Thank you, guys. I'm looking for short on the Euro Japanese yen on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, good for you. Personally, I've shared my my potential setup, my potential trade. I've shared my I've shared, guys, my setup, my trade, my pending order, Euro Japanese yen, earlier today into the VIP group. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look. USD CAD. As I said, I will take a look on all markets. USD CAD. Yeah, maybe temporary retreat could bring us something. But no, I don't have a high probability setup. USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc. Yeah, massive sell off, and after reaching maybe this zone here, boom, and Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, we're choppy currently short. Yeah, personally I'm not trading on that market. What are you trading on that market, the Australian dollar or the Canadian dollar? USD CAD, USD CAD, USD CAD. This could represent a flag pattern, but it seems that the buyers. What do you think about Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, bro? What about that market? Please tell me your levels, your time frame. About Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, on what time frame? Because it's not the same. Maybe it's bullish on 4 hour, maybe it's bearish on 1 hour, maybe it's you can catch something like a short position on 15 minutes, maybe you can go long on 1 hour. I don't know. As I've said, please tell me what you are looking at, your levels, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, your time frame. Okay, USD Swiss franc. It seems that but no, I don't want to do anything here either on this market. What about US dollar Japanese yen on the 1 hour time frame? On the hour time frame, I've talked about USD Japanese yen. I've talked about that market, and I've said that I don't have anything. The bias is still bullish in the short term, and I've said that if I don't have something like a high probability trade, high probability setup, no, I will stay away. Okay, nothing really good for me here on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. That's why I'll move on. Let's take a look. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's take a look. Yeah, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, as I've said, guys, if the DXY extends its growth after its retreat, I will look for US dollar longs. That's why, and also here it has reached this zone, but if it makes a new lower low, then it could invalidate this demand zone. It could extend its sell-off. Australian dollar, US dollar. So right now I'll take a look on all markets because yeah, I'll try to find something really good for me as well. And as you already know, guys, personally I'm facing all my trades here at Learn to Trade into a real account. Yeah, into a real account. Yeah, and as always, guys, I will come back with my updates, my trade management when I'll have time. I will share also the thought process in a video, yeah, when I'll have time, because I told you guys in my previous webinars that yeah, in the last months I was here only, I don't know, maybe part-time, yeah, only because I'm involved in other projects here at Learn to Trade, and yeah, Let's take a look. Nothing really good. Let's take a look again on let's take a look on gold. Gold again. Yeah, it continues to challenge, but after this massive sell, maybe we had something here or here. Right now, no, I don't want to sell it here right after reaching support. Okay, I don't want to sell it after reaching support. I'll wait for confirmation. Let's take a look on silver. Yeah, in a demand zone, but no. What indicator do you use? What indicator? I'm using pivot points. I'm using Williams here. I'm using other tools, technical tools like Pitchfork. I'm using price action. I'm using maybe a smart money concept or liquidity sweep or ICT. Yeah, it depends. But personally, I'm trading only based on Confluence trading strategy, using a mix between technical and fundamentals. I'm using more than one tool or more than one technique or strategy or approach. Really appreciate analysis of everyone's trades. US oil. US oil. Yeah, no. The downside pressure remains high. Maybe this could represent a temporary rebound. I don't want to buy it. Maybe I'll wait. How do you use Pitchfork on charts? The fourth wall. Please take a look. Please visit our YouTube channel, and you have there a playlist named trading tutorials, and you can watch several videos on how to use Pitchfork. Yeah, and if you have questions, please come back next time. And yeah, US oil. No, as I've said, maybe I'll wait for this rebound to be over before looking for new shorts. No. Ethereum. I will take a look on US equities as well. I'll take a look on the Japanese yen. Ethereum. Yeah, amazing upwards movement, amazing rally. Right now it has reached these historical levels, 2130, 2140. And after such an impressive rally, a retreat is natural, is normal in the short term. Right now it has developed a potential flag, and earlier today I've talked about this market for a different project, a different group, and I said that maybe personally I would like the price to come back down to retest 2029 and this demand zone, okay, before developing a new upside movement, upwards movement. And yeah, this is my opinion here. This flag pattern could represent a bullish formation, okay, and after such an impressive rally, yeah, a retreat is natural. A retreat, a drop, a correction is natural before trying to develop a new upwards movement. Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin, someone asked me about Bitcoin, but about Bitcoin, yeah, also here Bitcoin is bullish, is strongly bullish. And yeah, someone asked me if the price could hit 39,000 or today. No, I don't know. And it remains to see, guys. Later, the U.S. prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment could bring some action, some volatility also into the crypto market. And also here, guys, after such an impressive rally, a retreat is natural. It remains to see, guys, if this represented, if this retreat ended, or if this rebound could be only a temporary rebound, maybe to hit this zone and then to drop again, okay. And yeah, it remains to see. And because maybe this could represent potential bearish pattern, potential flag pattern. Okay, something like this, But yeah, the bias remains bullish, guys, despite temporary retreats, despite temporary drops. Personally, I would have liked the price of Bitcoin to hit this zone before turning to the upside again, to reach 35,000 psychological level, or here 34,000 psychological level. And any trades? I'm looking for new setups right now. Okay. I'm looking for new setups right now, and personally, I'm still keeping that. Are you a VIP member? Are you a VIP member? Yeah, I talked about US30 in a daily video analysis, and yeah, as expected, after this massive sell-off, temporary rebound, maybe to retest the supply zones, the resistance levels before going down. The same thing also in US 100 and US 500. That's why personally I'm still keeping my trade in US 500. Okay, also here US 100. After that massive sell-off, a rebound is natural, but the US equities could still develop or print a larger drop correction, only because and yeah, right now we have a temporary rebound on the US 30, US 100, US 500, only because the DXY drop it. Okay, personally I'm using this correlation. You already know that I'm using this correlation, and an upside continuation here should force maybe the US equities to drop, but let's wait. Better than expected US data could could force the DXY to jump higher, could force the US dollar to dominate the currency market, could force the US equities to drop. Okay. 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 So USD, Japanese yen again. Someone asked me about this market, 1 hour, and as I've said, the bias is bullish. I don't want to do anything right now, because only if the price will come back here to retest, if it will register only false breakdowns, then maybe I will look for longs. But yeah, the price stands right below this former high as a potential target. I don't want to do anything here right now. Yen basket again. And I will take a look also Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and Canadian dollar, Swiss franc for you guys, only because you asked me, but I'm not trading on those markets. There are a lot of opportunities on majors, on gold, silver, US oil, US equities. So I talked about yen basket. It still is located above 66.34. It could develop that bullish momentum, and that bullish momentum here should force the Japanese yen to take the lead, to dominate the currency market. Okay, that's why earlier today, personally I've sent my setup, my trade, my pending order, euro, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. No. Once again, guys, if I don't have a high probability setup, I don't want to do anything, because this is not how I trade. I don't want to place trades, low probability trades, or only to buy or to sell at market, because I don't know. Yeah, no. I will place a trade only when I have something really good. Yeah, about the British pound, Japanese yen, guys. In the short term, yeah, it has tried to jump higher, only because I've told you guys the United Kingdom economic data came in better than expected, but the downside pressure remains high, guys, on the British pound, Japanese yen. I've talked about the Japanese yen. I talked about the Japanese yen basket also earlier today, and why I want to, or why I'm looking for Japanese yen longs. Please watch that that video again. Yeah. And I'll wait also for the price maybe to hit my entry on Euro Japanese yen. Okay. Swiss franc Japanese yen, it has reached the supply zone here. No. No. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look on lower time frames. In my opinion, a new lower low here, taking out the former low, could open the door for more declines, and this scenario could take shape. Yeah, personally, I already have a pending order, but I don't know. I already have a pending order in Japanese yen. Let's invite more members, guys. Telegram. You can still join my webinar. Okay. Yeah. Yen basket again. And I've told you guys, I'm still waiting. Yeah, bullish momentum. Yeah. But I need the price to jump and close above 66.45, and then boom, yeah, it could extend its growth. And if the scenario will take shape, then the Japanese yen. Any word? BOG intervention, USD is over. What BOG intervention? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I'll have something on Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah. No, I don't have anything here. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Maybe personally I would have liked the price to reach this zone and then to drop to make a new lower low and boom. Okay. I already have a pending order in Japanese yen. Former high, sell off, rebound here, a new lower low. Yeah, I would have liked to see a rebound, but if the Japanese yen basket jumps higher, then boom. Okay, DXY again. Yeah, maybe we'll have a strong volatility, high action later, after the US Open, after the prelim University of Michigan customer sentiment. Yeah, nothing really good for me in the short term, but I'm still looking for something. USD, Singapore dollar. Let's see. Let's take a look. Maybe here we've missed something. Let's take a look. I will take a look on lower time frames to see if we had confirmation or something. Also here, so if the DXY retreats, US dollar versus the Singapore dollar could drop and reach the demand zone before jumping higher. I'll keep an eye on this market. I'm a little tired, guys. It's Friday, and but now USD, Mexican peso, US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Nope. Can you hear me, guys? I don't know, it seems that I have some technical problems here. Please confirm, guys. Yeah, and can you see my screen? I don't know exactly if you can. One moment, I will take a look myself. I will take a look myself. Yeah, audio a bit choppy. Yeah, as I've said, it seems that, I don't know, maybe something happened with my I don't know, connection or something. Okay, the DXY is still bullish, as I've said. A new higher high, boom. Yen basket, I've talked about yen basket today. It tries to develop that bullish momentum, bullish movement, as I've said earlier today. And I've told you guys why I'm looking for Japanese yen longs and why the Japanese yen could take the lead, why it could dominate the currency market, why it could drag the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, Euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, Swiss franc Japanese yen down towards new lows. Yeah, I've talked about these markets. Yeah, it seems that I have technical problems, and I will end this webinar here. I will come back later with new setups with my management on US dollar, US 500. I will come back with updates. Yeah. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.